Faster. Move it now, move it. Oh God. Move it now. That car has been following us right from the airport.
Okay. Now what are we going to do now?
Just move it. Move it. Move it. Keep moving. Moving.
Okay, sir.
Move.
Yes, sir.
Faster.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Don't worry. Just keep going. Steady. Move. Don't mind them. Keep moving.
Papa, where are you? Papa, where are you?
Here.
Where, Papa?
Here.
Find you, Papa.
My son, I am here.
Where, Papa?
Oh boy, we'll go now. We don't try book no go came man. We'll go home.
Every time.
Now 4 o'clock. Exam at 8 this morning.
My brother actually talk about make exam for man, not a man for exam. No clear. So everybody don't go finish you.
No, some still there.
No way, try to.
You must never take such risks again. They're too dangerous.
Sir, I won't just let them rob me like that.
What is money compared to life?
Not after what I went through in Jakarta.
Now, listen. You are very hardworking and faithful. For me, you actually run the business. But I'll tell you what. I value your life more. Now, do you understand?
Yeah, I understand, sir.
Jakarta is a long way. I'm sure you will need some rest.
That's true, sir.
Take tomorrow off.
Good night, sir.
Good night, my boy. And welcome back.
Thank you, sir.
And God bless.
All right, sir.
But man, no vex, yeah? No vex, yeah. Just come back, eh? Well, this is serious business. This is serious business. Which one come be that one? Why don't they go like our stuff? Face great? I mean, a power. I think I like it. Yeah, you better do that fast, though. It's a lie. Oh, Danny boy. How are you? It's nice to see you. I want to see your guys then. Quite easy. Right here, that is. Fine. Yeah, would you like to have a drink or something?
Oh, you have finished everything. Oh, that's great. Great. Yes, I'll send the quotation. Just let me know when you get the goods. Yes. Good. I'll send Dan down. Yes. Hello. Yes. It's all right. Yes. I'll wait to hear from you. Yes. Give my regards to Mr. Suharto. Yes. Bye. Sebastian.
I want some money.
Money? What for? I gave you 20,000 naira last week and you went and stole another 15,000 from my wardrobe.
It is finished.
Finished? What do you do with it? Drink and womanize? Now look here, my friend. I've been warning you to take your life seriously. Otherwise you'll end up regretting it.
Is it because of come on 35 naira 35,000? That's why you are sorry for me.
You are calling 35,000 common, ordinary? Now get out of my sight.
But
I said get out!
but
Have I not warned you never to touch this boy again?
Sir, he stole a
It's
piece
all I have got.
He stole a piece of meat from the soup pot.
So he stole a piece of meat. So? Whose soup is it? Is it not his? Or is it your money that cooked it? Well, the next time you lay your hands on him again, you'll find yourself in your village in Calabar. Is that clear? Now get out. Sorry.
She will go.
If she dares touch you again, she will go. Don't worry. Don't worry. There's a nice program going on there. Let's watch it.
I've made a very, very big mistake. It's all my fault. Sebastian.
Boy, I just pray I make a C in this film.
Hey, I believe. Pass now, pass. If I make dangerous prudence, I'll be okay. I'm not looking for a first class.
You cannot also pray for a third class.
Go for big bad thing. My gentleman result now they fine. 2-2 draw game. University no beat me, I no beat university.
My brother, to tell you the truth, I can't wait to get out of this school.
Oh boy, you know tired reach me. As I did so, my NY said they look one time.
W, God, when is bonds now?
In fact, I've started arranging it myself. I must serve in Abuja.
How are you going to go about it?
My pops actually knows somebody who can do it. It's just cash.
See, you guys don't understand. He treats me like a son.
Yeah. He's like a father to you, right?
Yeah.
You understand, I understand, no problem. I mean, he's always been your master. You served him well till you got your freedom. He settled you, but you decided to stay back to run his business. Very good boy. Good business. No problems at all. But do you realize that it leads you to nowhere?
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Anti-class, please.
You know, one of these days, you will die just getting from one place of the part of the world to the other. All in the name of running somebody else's business. So come on, but he treats me well. Listen, I have a car,
And a decent apartment.
You mean that thing?
Come on. The guy has got to start from somewhere.
Yeah, you gotta start from somewhere. But what is wrong if you start with an E-class just like we did? Man, you gotta wake up, man. Wake up, boy. It's like a father to you.
Danny, you've talked so much about this opera of a man. What about his son? Doesn't he feel threatened by you at all?
I really don't know. You see, I can't say he's my good friend, and I can't say he's my enemy either. See, the boy is highly responsible, and that's affecting his father badly. That's the father's biggest problem.
And his only child.
Sure.
You are wrong, man. That young man will blow out your brains if he had a chance. You better use your head.
Come, boy, which happened? Why the man who marry after the boy mama died? Which happened?
The guy had a terrible accident that affected his...
Oh. So it means that the man no fit perform, eh?
I'm sorry for the old man.
Anyway, business calls.
All right. I'll see you there.
Okay, so try and come to the house, eh?
Sure.
Let's go. Yeah.
All right, guys. Please.
Sir, can't you understand?
Eh? I'm on my 3rd year now. And married for me is just way out of it. It will distract me. I have to graduate first.
But my daddy says it will make me more
responsible.
Thank you.
Then go and look for someone else who is ready. After all, I'm not the only one you have.
It's not true. I really love you. Yes. You have always tried to make me a better person.
Sam, I love you too. Otherwise, I won't have stayed on. Others might think otherwise, but I know that deeply inside of me, I really love you, and I don't even know why. Sam, you have to change. You have to change, Sam.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
I know. That's why you have to give us some more time. If you really love me, Sam, wait for me.
Richard, how can I be happy when Sebastian causes me pain and embarrassment every minute?
Listen, Abara. That boy will change. Give him time. He will change.
How long? The boy is about 30. He has no direction for his life. All he does is drinks and womanize. I mean, Richard, he's my only child. Abara, I know how you feel, but why don't you call him and have heart-to-heart discussion with him? How many times have we had heart-to-heart talk? I'm even looking for a wife for him. Maybe that will help him sober down. I agree with you, Abara. I agree with you. I think a wife is what he needs. But I fear it will not sober him down. Do you really think a woman will sober him down? You worry too much about this boy. A man does not learn to be left-handed at old age. No, I regret my mistakes. What is it? It is a long story, my brother. If only I knew then what I know now.
You must be out of your mind. How could you? After all, you know I am married. You think that
Why didn't you tell me you were married before you promised to marry me? Why?
That is not the point. What I am saying is that, look, you are a nurse. How could you allow something like this to happen? A trained nurse. Oh, come on. You better do something about the pregnancy, otherwise you'll have a bastard.
I will not. I will not remove it. Do what you like. But God will judge us.
Look, I don't care. Besides, my wife is going to give birth next month. So you better get yourself together. Do something. Do something fast.
Oh God. Oh God. What have I gotten myself into? Oh God.
So what happened to her? My brother, I don't know. I heard she gave birth to a baby boy. And then we lost touch. No contact. No. She was a student nurse. After she graduated, she just disappeared. She disappeared. Oh, God, forgive me. Oh, God.
Hey, took you so long. Sorry for yourself. He shot. Hey, go. God will punish you. God. Hey, say, man.
Sebastian.
How are you doing, Dad?
You are drunk again. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Is this what you want to make of your life? Now listen to me. I have tried my best for you. If you make me wash my hands off you completely, on your head, be it.
Also on the head of my four fathers. Yes. This is my father's house. Why not go to your father's house? That is, if he ever built one.
The result of the test shows that nothing is wrong with you, both physically and medically.
Nothing. Doctor, I can't get it up. I've tried everything.
Nothing. Probably it is psychological. You know, the shock of the accident and your wife's dead. I believe very soon it will perform.
This means impotence. No. Impotence?
No, Mazi.
God. Why? Tests upon tests, yet nothing. Oh, Sab. Oh, Sab.
So, welcome.
Like I said, all the information you need is here. Please do a good job.
It's all right. Clearing bushes is one of our specialties, and you will be satisfied. So, bye-bye.
Four laptops and 2 motherboards missing, and you tell me to take it easy? Oh, come on. How on earth do you want me to how on earth do you explain that? Mr. Sohato, no, we are in business, and this is business for us. Listen, it's your responsibility that the goods get back to us. Yes, that it gets back to us intact. I don't care. Yes, probably. Yes. If the 4... No. Yes. Anyway, if the 4... Yes, if the new model DVD players do not move in the market, we will not take responsibilities. Yes, that's it. Oh, yes, he just came in now. All right, okay. So, Mr. Sohato from Indonesia.
Mr. Sohato. We've been trying to reach you since the goods arrived. Oh, yes. Yes, thank you. And thank you for the credit. Yes. Thank you. Bye. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
How dare you bust into my office like that?
I need some money. Oh, sir, take it easy. Just stay out of my mouth. Because I do not disturb you when you collect money from my father. All right?
Sebastian, you must be a stupid boy. Dan works very hard for his money. He's not a laggard like you.
Hey, Baba, I'm the son here. Hey, I'm the son. I own everything. Everything.
Now get out of my office this minute.
The money now.
You think I will put my hand in my pocket?
Oh, take it easy, sir. Okay. You. I know usually the person is calling me for my father. Okay, but you and me, we will see. We will see.
You know, this boy, he wants to kill me.
Don't worry, sir. We'll change.
Sam, don't you understand? He loves you and wants the best for you.
By giving me money.
Why not? Huh? The ones he gives you, what do you do? Huh? Tell me now. Sir, you have never bought me a card since we started dating. What do you do with your money? Drink?
I have a lot of plans.
That's what you keep saying. Sir, your father only wants the best for you. After all, you are his only son.
But why doesn't he treat me like one?
You have to see yourself as one, sir. Your father is your father any day. And whatever he does is motivated by love. Understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So when are you coming? I see. Well, it's not going to be comfortable. I see. All right. Now listen to me, Danny. Danny, you are sitting on a gold mine, letting go, and it's a pity. Now, here is a man you have virtually served all your life. He has a son who been set upon 5 times. And all those times, he ate the money. For Christ's sake, he sees you as a threat. So, head. Use your head, man. Listen, how you gonna build up an empire after Danny, it's not a better money, it's not a better deal. Take your chance. Take it. How? Now let me tell you. You know that all of that has could be yours. I mean, after all, you've just said that you can no longer father a child. Huh?
Lizzie, what is it? Why are you so sad? What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about Sab.
You are thinking about Sab? I've warned you about that boy. That boy is an irresponsible boy.
Mom, he wants to marry me.
Hey, whoa! Marry him. What sort of husband do you think he will be? Besides, what of your school?
I know, Mama. But I think Sab needs me. I think I can help him. He's a nice person. It's just that he...
Lizzie, I don't want any of my daughter to marry out of pity.
No, Mama. I really love Sab very dearly. I think he will change. Yes, I can change him.
I'm sorry. He'll be here soon. I'll send someone to go and call him. Meanwhile, let's continue to enjoy ourselves. More drinks. So please, and food will soon be ready. What of Dan? Oh, Dan left for Jakarta this morning. Here he comes. My son, come. Sit down. My son, come. Who are these people? Please sit down. Sit down. This is Nkechi and her father. But who are they? I know that you young people find it difficult to think about marriage. So, I brought Nkechi for you as your wife. But look, she's from a very good home. And look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Look, Dad, you don't have the right to tell me who to marry. Son, your father wants the best for you. No, I should know who I should choose whom I should marry. Look, you should. I put my money marry you. Period. Drop it. Hands up. Stay out of my business. Sir, Sebastian, leave him. Come here. Opara, leave him. Come here. Come back here. Leave him, Opara. He will calm down. Look at this. Please sit down. Please. Come. Please, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Excuse me. What's her name?
Elizabeth, sir.
Elizabeth. Thank you. What a lovely name. And where are you from, my daughter?
Udi, sir.
Udi. Oh, I have many, many nice friends from Udi. Sebastian.
Sir.
Udi people are nice people.
Yes, sir. She's a very nice girl, sir.
Welcome.
Sansa!
How are you?
Welcome.
How are you, man? This is Elizabeth. Okay. She's from Udi.
Who? I'm from Uji.
Elizabeth. Sebastian has told me so much about you, I feel I know you already. Are you really sure you want to marry my son?
Yes, sir.
I believe you know him well enough and his peculiarities. Don't interrupt. As I was saying, you want to marry him like that? I hope there are no pressures.
No, sir. I've known your son for 2 years now. Sab may not be exactly what we all want him to be, but I'm sure we can work it out.
Hey, baby. Hey! Come, let me get me a little bit. Let me go. Come. Hey, baby. Yeah! I got it.
Danito! Hey, Clevy, how far now?
Hello.
Demo, how far?
Hello. Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing, baby.
Dano.
Hey, boy, how you doing, bro?
You guys enjoy, oh.
This is living large. This is living large, boy, and it's there at your fingertips, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Come on, what can a man do? We've got to celebrate. When did you return from Dubai?
This afternoon.
I tell you something, Dan. If you wouldn't be like us, boy, you got to shine your eye well.
Shine my eye? Which one can be that now?
Dano, come. How your master now? Have fun.
Yeah, in fact, that's why I'm here. My Oga Pikin will soon marry. You know, I'm in charge of the arrangements. The guy is so excited, he wants a pre-wedding party, you know. And I want you guys to come around and assist me, you know.
Hey, listen to that, man. Dan wants our sisters. Hey, come on, ladies, come on. Hey, go into the room, baby. Come on. Go to the room and wait for us, right? Wait for us, yeah. Hey. Want to have some more drinks? You love that there in the fridge and freezer, okay? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Hey, Dan, you're welcome. Yeah, by the way, now, have you considered what we talked about the last time?
Yeah, I have, but I just can't do that to him.
What?
The man is a nice man.
Listen to that. What are you talking about, boy? So you want to end up being a bobo nice, eh? I tell you something, boy. The only hindrance to you and that vast wealth is that little boy. That boy they call Sab or whatever.
I know, but guys, is there no way we can do this without hurting anybody?
Come. Look, listen. There is only one way
to make it. Only one way.
But look, guys, listen.
Danny, listen. We all know you're a good boy. Leave it to us. Trust us. Just trust us.
What's that?
Hey, man. Lily of the Valley.
Listen, Danny, listen. We are young men. And we are hustlers.
Yeah.
And whatever we do, we strive to secure our future.
Yeah, man.
And we got to hustle.
Yeah, man, the future.
With time, you'll understand.
Hey, boy, I wanted to try it. Come on. Oh, come on. Hey, don't give me that crap, boy. Hey. I wanted to try this.
And I'm not into this.
If you try it the first time, boy, I tell you something, you're gonna enjoy. You're gonna love yourself.
No, sorry, but I'll be okay.
A little.
I'll be okay.
Just try it, a little.
I'll be okay.
Hey!
Come on.
Hey, boy! Come on, listen.
Come on,
you gotta try, boy.
No.
Now, listen up, boy. I tell you something. You try this, you're gonna love yourself for life, boy. It's so cool.
Sure?
Yeah, man. You're gonna have a cool brain.
And
you'll be free, boy. Hey, easy, boy. Easy. Yeah.
Come on, shit, guys.
Hey, Hey, good boy. That's it, boy. You're so cool. You enjoy it.
You know, it's like a dream to me. This boy is actually getting married. But I told you. All he needs is time. Yes. Oh, and I honestly believe that this girl will calm him down. I agree with you. Oh, thank you. Service life. Finally getting married. Cheers. going to end my life without a son, without a child. God, what have I done? Sebastian.
Obara, God knows the best. And there's nothing anybody can do. You have to be a man.
What is life? What am I living for?
Sorry, sir.
Oh, Sebastian. Sebastian.
Danny boy! Danny boy!
Look at you guys. What's good, man?
Come on. Well, this your baby is something else. So. Anyway, you are meeting up. You are meeting up.
Oh, come on, man.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't see anything wrong
In the old boy finding his lost son.
Hey, oh, well, come. We know tell you. Check him. The role fit you. First son.
Anyway, just make sure that you start building your own house and don't ever let it get into your head.
Oh, come on.
Carve your own empire.
And they tell, man. Look, just watch out for the launching of my building in December. Man, I'm angry! Come on, keep it here, man. Come on, you don't keep it here, man.
In any case, we'll be seeing later.
You guys keep some pepper soup for me.
Sure, you're gonna have a mouth full of that.
It's all
right. No problem. Take care of yourself.
I'll see you guys. Come on.
He has started to understand.
Oh, for sure. He'll learn, and he has started to understand, as you said, yeah.
Let's go! All right.
Yes.
All right, make the call.
Bye.
Good morning, sir.
Dan. I was up late last night. You don't normally keep late nights. Where did you go? And look, you're just coming to the office.
I'm sorry, sir. I was with some friends. I'm sorry.
Dan, these accounts don't seem to balance. There's about $500,000 missing.
Oh, you forgot, sir. This was because of those missing items on the container.
Okay. Oh, but I remember you told me that the other containers will make up the difference.
I thought it would, but I later found out it couldn't.
Oh, Dan, I'm afraid you'll have to go to Jakarta this weekend.
Jakarta?
Yes. I had a phone call last night while you were out. We have an order for 5,000 computers.
Have you called Mr.
Suharto? No, I thought you should do that.
Okay, promise, sir. Got it.
Dan, see me by lunchtime. What will I do without him?
Compassion! Baby! Hey! You this day by your Nigerian, eh?
It's fun serving in Lagos, so at least where you schooled and you're having your youth service.
And the fear of Zamfara is the beginning of wisdom. Babe, just do. You know one guy like that we met at our orientation camp? Yes, now the guy that came to meet us at the marine market. Fair. Andy, the one in law school.
Oh. Is he the one that said he was looking for his friend's girlfriend?
You got it, yummy. Guess what happened today? Oh, I just ran into him. Really? I'm telling you, that guy is a funny guy. And guess what? After my CD on Thursday, I intend paying him a visit just in case you're interested in coming.
So soon. I hope there's nothing fishy.
I'm very good. The guy is just one cool guy I like being around.
No.
So, are you coming?
Maybe we can catch your big fish alone. No?
Who's it?
Sir, what Mr. Chibo is there to see you.
Chibo? Which Chibo is that?
He says his name is Mr. Chibo.
Oh, my cousin.
Chibo. How's the family?
Oh, fine.
How's business?
Oh, we're managing.
You call all this managing? This is the handwork of God.
Oh, thank him for everything. What do I offer you?
Don't worry.
I have wine.
Don't bother yourself.
Coffee.
Don't bother yourself. Sit down. We can talk. Sit down.
So, what is it?
I am not here to beg for money or for employment. I want us to talk as brothers.
So, what is it?
You see, our people say, the stone one sees never blinds him. We know Mr. Para, though not from our village, has taken you like a son. We are happy for you. But words have reached us about this new company you started keeping lately. Let me tell you, my brother, those young men are not good for you. They are...
How dare you?
Dad, listen to me.
Leave my office. Leave now!
Dad, we are not quarreling.
How dare you come to my office to tell me how to live my life?
Those men are into all sorts of dirty things.
Out! Among us. Once a young man makes money, people like you don't see anything good in him. He must be into one bad business or the other. Now please, leave my office before I call the security. No. Get out! Secretary! Get out! Out! Stupid poor man.
this place is dry. Where's everybody? Where's Mickey and Ken? Oh, they've gone to Thailand. I'm expecting them back tonight. Okay. I need some pepper soup.
Danito, you're the man.
Come on.
How many plates?
Just 2. You're the man. Come on.
You're the man.
I'm the man. Thanks, man. I have to go and kill myself.
Danito!
That's you, man.
You're the man.
Only compassion, how you finding your service in Lagos?
Fun. I schooled in Lagos. It's not much of a difference for me.
Aren't you lucky? I was a complete JJC when I came to the law school. It was my first time in Lagos.
Really? You know, it's amazing when I hear people say they're coming to Lagos for the first time. I mean, it just seems so natural that everybody should have been to Lagos once.
Not everybody is as lucky as you.
How?
Look at it like this. I could hardly afford my textbook, not to talk about traveling, not until I won myself a scholarship.
Oh, then you must have been at the FICO in school.
Well, I did my best not to disappoint my poor mother until she died.
Oh, I'm sorry about your mom.
It's okay. It's life. You lose some to gain some.
Thanks for the drink.
You're welcome.
Dan, what the hell is going on here? I cannot understand you nowadays. There's always a story to tell when you travel. Are you in any trouble? If so, please tell me. Or is there anything worrying you?
I don't have any problems.
All right. I'll tell you what we'll do. From now on, we make all payments through electronic transfer. All you have to do is supervise the movement of the goods.
No problem, sir. Whatever you like.
Dan. Dan. I have known you practically all your life. You are the only son I have. Maybe what you should do is take a holiday. Go to London, go to England, or Germany, Switzerland, or Hawaii, or Caribbean. Take as long as you like. Maybe the responsibilities here at the moment are just a little bit too much for you.
Whatever you say, sir. Excuse me.
My guy, what's up, man? How far? Wow. Hey, no shaky, sir.
I don't want to lose you. Please, God. You amaze me, Dan. You amaze me. Is it for a mere 2 million naira that I asked from you that you've come here to scream at me? After all I did for you?
Come on, man. It's not like that. Oh, you know I'm broke and I need money to finish my building.
Yeah, you need some money to complete your building. And there's no place you can raise that money except by coming here to embarrass me.
No place! Oh, come on. Why are you talking like this again? When you keep asking me for this money, you know it wasn't a gift. It was a loan. It was a loan, man. A debt is a debt.
It's all right. I agree. A debt is a debt. No problem. Come on, Danny boy. It's all right. Come over the weekend and take your money. It's okay. No problem. Come over the weekend and collect the money.
Right, bro, man. Thanks for understanding, man. You know,
It wasn't that I was broke, man, you know. I won't come asking, man. Stop me.
It's okay, I understand, Danny boy. It's okay. Over the weekend, as I said, alright? No problem.
I think you just...
Yeah, I crossed my heart, no problem. Danny boy, have a nice weekend, right? Alright. Yeah, sure. Please.
Good morning, sir. You summoned?
Dan, if anyone had told me that you would betray the trust I have in you, I would have sworn otherwise.
I don't understand.
You don't understand! And let me tell you, were it not for the way I feel about you, a policeman would have been waiting for you here. Now, I give you 2 weeks to return all my money that you have stolen, or I'll take you to the shrine to suffer for your betrayal.
But sir, you've not tried to hear me out.
Hear from you? What for? I said what for? Now tell me, are you or are you not building a duplex? Or have you not bought yourself a Mercedes E-Class? When Ken, your friend, told me that you were stealing my money, I didn't believe him. Oh, he asked me to go and inquire. And I inquired and found that everything was true. Dad!
Don't know what to say, sir.
You don't know what to say. 2 weeks. 2 weeks to return all my money that you have stolen. Get out of my sight. Get out.
God save me if I get him. I mean, how can be so mean? Just because I asked him for my money, he goes to blow my cover.
It's alright. Calm down. Relax. Maybe that's why we haven't seen him in 2 days.
Oh, come on, but that's wicked of him. Now the man wants his 15 million. Where on earth do I get that kind of money from? Where?
He said, just take it easy. We'll find a solution to your problem, okay? Hmm?
Look, he has sworn to drag me to the dreaded Ogbunabali shrine.
Eh? Ogbunabali?
Yeah.
Sure. That's terrible.
Easy, man.
Come. It's alright. We'll get Ken and sort out this whole mess, okay?
Man, Ken.
Take a easy.
Man, Ken, man. Oh, come on.
Dan, take a easy. Take it easy. Bali, come out, dude. The boozy don't go. Look at him. No,
I've been trying to make him understand what traumatic experience I've been through since Sab's death. I mean, I can't just afford to rush into another marriage like that.
I think you should give him a chance since he's prepared to wait for you.
Tayo, it's not as easy as that. You know, I still think that Sab would have been alive today if I had not agreed to marry him.
You accepted to marry Sab because you loved him. But it's quite unfortunate what happened to him. But baby, that shouldn't be the end of everything for you, right?
Please, sir. It's not all true. I'm just begging you to please give me more time. Please, sir, don't take me to Unabani Shrine, please, I beg.
Dan, you still deny it.
Sorry.
You are making me angry. I trusted you. Gave you everything. Treated you like a son. And then you stabbed me in the back.
Please, sir, but sorry, please.
Please! Now tell me, what did you do with all that money?
Please, just give me more time. That's just all I ask, more time.
I don't know why I still have pity for you. But I give you 1 month. If by then you don't pay, then you will see the wrath of the oracle.
1 month? We're talking about 15 million.
Will you shut up? 1 month. That is all. Oh, one more thing. Don't try to run away. Your clothes are still here. And there are people watching you. 1 month.
Guys. Ken, you've not tried at all. Ken. But I think I have apologized. I told you it was out of anger. And you see what that has cost me now. I mean, where do I raise 15 million from? Where?
You don't need to raise 15 million. Just bring some money. Like 1 million naira. And a solution will be found.
But where? How? Where do I raise 1 million? Where do I get it from?
Well, at least that's better than 15 million.
I don't know what you guys are talking
about. Dan, your life is at stake here.
Your life is at stake?
Oh, thanks to you.
Oh, come on. Let us think about it. Maybe we can start by selling off something to raise the money. Maybe your new car. When we have found the money, then we can find a permanent solution to all your problems. Okay? Hey, come on. Hey, Danny boy, keep it here, boy. Come on, keep it here.
Get up. Who are you? And how did you get in here?
No questions.
Take anything you want. But spare my life.
Spare our life? Too bad. Because that's what we have come for.
Somebody doesn't like you much.
Forward, old man.
But you guys didn't tell me you were going to kill him.
Hey, come on, Danny boy. We merely cleared the bush that was growing.
But you said you were working out a permanent solution.
Yeah, and what could be more permanent than having no problems at all?
Hi, Danny boy. Cheer up. Our problems are over.
Who will have paid
of killing my friend Dokbara? Why? Why?
It was such a gruesome act for anyone to think of.
Dokbara, my God. Well, then you have to take charge. His lawyers say he did not leave a will.
It's alright, I'll do my best.
He used to talk about a son he had years back.
He also mentioned him to me. But he said he never knew where he was.
Well, you now have to take care. At least if somebody proves otherwise.
Yes, sir.
But who could have done this to Akbara?
Only God can tell. Only God. Hello? Is that Betsam Hotel? Yes. Do you have rooms left? Not even one. Shush. Okay.
Well, you have to act fast before the vultures start descending. We'll have to share everything amongst ourselves equally.
I don't understand you guys. What do you mean you don't understand? Listen, we did all the work you are now enjoying. And all we're asking for is our own share of the money. Simple.
Oh, you want us to tell the world how you got to where you are now?
Oh, he hasn't gotten to that yet. Anyway, we can't just start selling off now. People will suspect.
As if they don't already.
What do you mean?
Now listen to me, Danny boy. We don't really give a damn for now. We have made contacts. And as from next week, we start selling. Is that clear?
We've estimated his houses and cars to be about 45 million naira. And I reckon that's about 11.2 million naira each.
You guys are monsters! You guys can start making contacts without consulting me! I mean, this guy's been all over me, hurting me!
Listen, Danny boy. It's all in your imagination. When next he appears, shoot him.
Well, sorry my friend. It's like from now on we control the show here. So see you later.
Let's go.
It's a lie. You guys have, look, never ever will never get close to it. And over my dead body, man. You just dreaming, man. You're just fucking dreaming. Idiots, bastards, thieves, ingrates.
And this is my mother, Grace, mother of all mothers.
Wow. She's beautiful.
Thank you. See this woman, she did everything possible to make sure that I lived and went to school. My mother.
You seem to really love her. Yeah, it shows with the way you always talk about her.
Yeah, she's a great and a wonderful woman.
What about your father? You never seem to mention him anytime we discuss. Or is he late too?
I don't know. True. I don't even know who he is.
Excuse me. I don't understand.
Okay, how do I say it now? Let's do it like this. You see, when I was growing up, my mother told me my father was late. And I grew up to accept it that way. When her sickness became worse, she called me and told me how my father abandoned her.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And ever since then, I've never set my eyes on him. Yeah. That is the man I intend to find and prosecute when I'm called to bear.
I think I know this man.
You do?
Yes. He might not be exactly this young, but the resemblance is striking.
Just take a look at the photograph again.
This should be Chief Opara.
Yes, Opara. Yes, Mother said, oh, that's his name, Opara.
Opara?
Yes.
You remember? The guy I told you about? The one I was supposed to marry? Sam! Yes. The one that died.
Yes.
This is his father.
He's alive.
I'm serious!
You don't say.
I'm serious! This is Chief.
You know, it is a lot more easier. Boy, I thought I was going to search for too long. Sweetheart, you know you're God sent.
But Sam was supposed to be the only son? Yes! 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 I remember. Sam was always talking about Chief complaining about his son. He had not.
But what?
You have to go and see him. I'm serious. You have to go and see him. Just go and see him. Alright?
Please. It is good. I now know where to find him. And I'll find him my time. Yes. My time.
does he think he is? We do all the work and he eats all the money. We're going to like get him. Make sure. Let me just lay my hands on that bastard. Imagine.
Don't know what you're talking about. You think you are fools here? You cannot come from your village to this place. So that is what does not talk to you. I've been talking to you. And people have asked me to come and inherit this thing here. So you can, under no circumstance, will tell me nonsense. His father and my father have the same grandfather, and they've asked me to go and inherit this
Listen,
world.
Mr. Man, I have been with Okpara for almost all my life. I have never seen you, neither have I ever heard of you.
Yes, I know, because I have been out of town.
You'd better remain out of town.
Then you are going to your village too.
Bala! Okay. Get this guy out of here.
I know you are not referring to me. You better be very careful, because I will not take this nonsense from you as well.
You want trouble?
I will give it to you. Okay. Look, I'm ready to give it straight to all of you now.
You want trouble?
Yes.
Gold digger.
You are telling me this? Okay, I am coming back. I am coming back.
Get out!
I am coming back.
Gold digger. Hey! Live here! Live here! Live here!
No!
Andy, how can you hate a man so much? Try and go and see him.
You know, I wonder what I will tell him when we meet face to face.
Forgive him.
Sorry?
Sweetheart, forgive him.
I should forgive a man who never cared if I lived? A man who destroyed the life of my mother? How can I forgive him? How? Tell me!
Will vengeance right the wrongs of the past? Huh? You're a better man than that. Andy, let the past remain in the past. Yes. Only God can judge all of us.
Look, Dan, you have to sign these papers. Now that Mickey is dead, we can make up to 15 million naira apiece.
I don't care how much you make. Look, I won't sign anything.
You must be joking, Dan.
I wish I were. Listen, these properties are mine now.
And you think we will sit back and watch you walk away like that? Oh, come on, Dan. You don't seem to know us so much if you believe that.
So, what are you going to do about that?
I'm afraid we might have to make you sign it.
Come on, sign it!
Okay. But, he has a relation. He was here this morning, and he's poised for war.
Jesus Christ. He's bluffing us.
I wish I was. Come on.
Now what relation? From where? And what is his name?
Dog or something.
I don't believe you. I don't care. I think that he was... Hey! Come on, Danny boy. There is no escape here, man. Don't play the hero. Just come out. Let us settle this once and for all. Like friends.
Kill greedy bastards! I killed them! I killed them! They made me do it! They brought out... I killed them! I killed them! I killed them!
Drop your gun! Drop your weapon!
I did it! Inspector, I killed them! Inspector!
Officer! This way!
Inspector, I killed my friends. They led me astray, officer. They made me betray a good man. We killed him. Me and my friends. We killed Mr. Opara. If only I knew. If only I knew. We also killed his son. We killed his son. Oh God. Oh God, please forgive me. But they said that was the only way I could inherit his wealth. Inspector, I was contented with my life before they came. Together, we poisoned Sam and killed Chief.
Are you aware that anything you say or do here will be taken as evidence against you in the law court?
Don't care. I'll say the truth and free my conscience. Let the world know that I didn't intend to. It was those I called my friends. It turned out to be my worst enemies.
Was that why you killed them?
Yes. They are monsters. They don't deserve to live.
Take him!
I killed them! I'm sorry, I killed you, John. I killed Sam.
Move in!
Despite all they did for you.
Move in!
What is going on here?
Richard.
Lizzie! What is going on?
Is it true that Chip is dead?
Chip is dead. But what is going on here? Lizzie!
Uncle Richard, did Chiboko ever tell you about any lost son? Because Sam and I talked about him a lot.
Yes. He wished he knew where he was. He talked a lot about him.
He did?
Yes.
Oh. Well, the lost son is here.
Yeah? Where is he?
Auntie. That's it.
How are you, my son? Lizzie, what is going on here? I saw down with handcuff. What is going on?
Let's meet him in the police station.
Let's go.
Oh, I wish I could turn back the hands of time, back to the way things used to be. My good friends filled my heart with jealousy. I made a big mistake with deceit. I don't know what to do now, it's too late. I took a wrong step in the wrong direction. See all the harm I've caused, see all the things I've lost. I made the wrong move in the wrong direction. It's all crashing down on me. The ones I trusted, they deceived me. I never knew their plan was to destroy me and Take everything I worked for.